Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or Born Hype, coming at you guys with another video. Today we got another unboxing. I'm just gonna get right into it here. We're gonna open it up and then I will show you guys what the shoe is. These are from Dover Street, so if you guys watched my last couple of videos, you should know what these are. I was pretty excited to hit these. Dover Street boxes are always so hard to open. They package it so weird. It's such a weird box. Alright. Okay. Got the Dover Street Market thing right there. A little eShop receipt. There we go. So these are the CPFM VAPORMAXes. I haven't seen these in hand yet, but I was told they're very nice. We got a size 6.5 in women's, so that's 5 in men's. Yeah, 5 in men's. Oh, okay. I didn't mean to do this, but I took it completely off. Shit. So we got the Just Do It with their little logo there. I don't know what that is. And then here we go. So it says Just Do It, and then it's got on the so this is the left shoe. On the inside of the left shoe it has this Nike swoosh. It's like plastic. It's kind of weird, but huh. And then we got extra set of laces, and the other side. So the other side is the Nike sign on the outside, and then it says Just Do It in white. So it's kind of like a mismatch, as you can see. Like, this is the inside, this is the outside, and then this is the outside, this is the inside. Kind of weird. These are very small as well, 6.5. So 6.5 in women, so 5 in men. Very small. Do these come with anything else? I don't know what this is, but it came with this. I thought they were supposed to be like socks or something. Guess not. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the oh shit, this is CPFM VAPORMAX unboxing. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter if you guys want to buy any of the stuff I cop or unbox. And yeah, it's been Gavin, or Born Hype, and I'm out. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.